Welcome to this exciting journey of the power of LinkedIn in B2B marketing. In today's lesson, we are diving into, as I said, the power of LinkedIn in B2B marketing. This comprehensive guide, this video and the next few videos, will explore how LinkedIn has become an essential tool for B2B marketers, its unique advantages and strategies to leverage its feature for effective lead generation. Trust me, guys, LinkedIn is the place to be. And I'm sure that you have already been on LinkedIn, but you have been figuring out ways to leverage LinkedIn and get benefited from it. And that's what we are here for. Let's understand LinkedIn's role in B2B sales. LinkedIn is the world's largest platform, professional networking platform, boasting over 774 million users across more than 200 countries. And this data comes in the year 2021, and I'm sure 2024 data must be a lot higher. Approximately 61 million users are senior level influencers and 40 million are in decision making positions. This means the people you want to reach are likely already on LinkedIn. LinkedIn allows you to directly contact or connect with individuals, join the conversations they are having, and understand their pain points. So you can connect with them, you can drop a message to them, an email to them, or be a part of the conversation that they are into, maybe a part of some group that they are in, and so on. Some of the key statistics and demographics. According to a study by the Content Marketing Institute, 94% of B2B marketers are using LinkedIn to distribute content, making it the top social media platform for B2B content marketing. And it's a lead generation powerhouse. LinkedIn is responsible for 80% of B2B leads from social media, compared to 13% on Twitter and 7% on Facebook. So I'm talking about B2B leads and not the retail leads that is definitely higher on Facebook and Instagram or TikToks. So why is LinkedIn essential when it comes to B2B lead generation? Number one, today's B2B buyers conduct extensive research online before making a purchase decision, and LinkedIn serves as a primary resource for this research. So if I have to look for somebody, be it a client, be it a prospective employee, be it a past employee, whoever I want to look for, the first place that I would look for them would be on LinkedIn and not on Facebook or Instagram. And that's why it is a great place to research. Content consumption is really high here. Professionals are eager for insights. LinkedIn users spend time reading industry news, expert opinions, and case studies. Thought leadership. A procurement manager looking for a new supplier might read your LinkedIn article on supply chain optimization, positioning you as a thought leader and a potential partner. So building your personal brand, if you are selling a B2B product, so building a personal brand is easy. So LinkedIn versus the other social platforms for B2B. Professional context. So unlike Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn is designed for professional interactions. Users are in the mindset to discuss business, making them more receptive to B2B marketing. So it's you who is a different person when you are on LinkedIn and is a different person when you are on Facebook. And you are still a different person when you are on Instagram or on TikTok. And that's what makes LinkedIn special. You come to LinkedIn with a professional context. You are looking for something that is professionally attractive, right? Targeted advertising. LinkedIn's advanced targeting options allows you to focus on specific industries, company sizes, job titles, and even skills. LinkedIn visitors to lead conversion rate is 2.74%, which is almost 3 times than Twitter and Facebook. That's huge. Let us start with setting the clear objective around lead generation. So B2B lead generation on LinkedIn. So we start with defining lead generation goals. We set specific targets for the number of leads per month, brand awareness, or product promotion. So we set specific targets for each of these: number of leads, brand awareness, or product promotion. Then we decide whether we are having a qualitative and a quantitative goal. So consider both the number of leads and the quality. A smaller number of high quality leads can be more valuable than a large number of low quality leads. So an example goal could be generate 50 qualified leads per month from the technology sector who are interested in cyber security solutions. So that's a clear objective how you set it. Now, aligning LinkedIn strategies with sales objectives. When you talk about aligning your LinkedIn strategy with the sales objective, so it's very similar to any of the social media platforms. Your strategies, your Facebook strategy, your Instagram strategy, your YouTube strategy, your podcasting strategy, and how does it align with your sales strategy? Because we are talking about B2B leads, B2B sales, we have to align our strategy with our objectives. And for this, it starts with being consistent. Ensure that your LinkedIn activities support your overall sales strategy. You collaborate with sales teams. Marketing and sales should work together to identify ideal client profiles and messaging. And therefore, you create a content calendar that aligns with your sales campaigns. Now, if your sales team is focusing on a new product launch next quarter, start sharing relevant content now to build interest. So that's how your strategy aligns with your sales objectives. Moving on to the buyer's journey mapped on LinkedIn. So the buyer's journey is the same, no matter whether you are on LinkedIn or on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you are. The buyer journey remains the same. It starts with the awareness phase. Use LinkedIn to share educational content that highlights common industry challenges. Then comes the consideration stage. Share case studies, webinars, and white papers that position your company as a solution provider. Then you come to the decision stage. Offer demos, free trials, or consultations to encourage prospects to take the next step. Now, when you have all of this, when you have your buyer journey mapped, you have your strategies aligned with the sales objectives, you then move on to leveraging the LinkedIn features. Let's talk about the LinkedIn features. So we have things like LinkedIn groups, we have something called LinkedIn articles, and we have InMail. So these are the three different features. You can join and contribute to groups where your target audience is active. So you need to find out who your target audience is. You need to see where they hang out, what kind of groups they are active on, and then you can join those groups and contribute to those groups and come in the attention of those group members. Then comes LinkedIn articles. You publish articles to showcase your expertise and increase your visibility. Then you can send InMails to people who you're not connected with. You can personalize messages to reach out directly to the potential leads. Now, LinkedIn has some limitations around how many InMails you can send based on what LinkedIn subscription, premium subscription you have access to, but the features remain the same. The volume might be up or down, but overall, LinkedIn groups, you can join articles, you can post any number of LinkedIn articles. InMails, you can send a certain limited number of InMails every day, every week, every month. So now that we have covered all of this, let's talk about some of the success stories. A B2B software company increased its lead generation by 58% after optimizing their LinkedIn company page and consistently sharing valuable content. A consulting firm secured contracts worth over $500,000 by utilizing LinkedIn's advanced search to identify and connect with key decision makers. Great. Now that we are through with this, let's recap and move on to the next steps. So, LinkedIn is a powerful B2B tool, offering access to a vast network of professionals and decision makers. By understanding its features and aligning your efforts with clear objectives, you can significantly enhance your lead generation efforts. And in our next lesson, we'll explore how to craft a high converting LinkedIn profile that attracts your ideal clients. See you there. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.